As an integrated industrial and international trading company, TAIAN TIGLIFT Company was established by a manufacturer with over 20 years of experience in producing forklifts, skid-steer loaders, and mini excavators. Relying on decades of industry experience, advanced technology, reliable product quality, and flexible customization solutions, we have served customers from more than 40 countries, including the United States, Spain, Brazil, Australia, Russia, Turkey, and Vietnam, earning an outstanding reputation worldwide. Our production facilities cover a full range of processes, including CNC machining, bending, welding, and painting. Advanced equipment and technology form the solid foundation of our product reliability. All our products comply with international certifications such as the ISO 9001 Quality Management System and CE marking. We also provide comprehensive customization services to meet our clients' specific needs, from product design and functionality to packaging. A professional team maintains close communication with customers, ensuring quick responses and prompt resolution of issues. We also offer purchase services. We simplify purchasing processes, reduce costs, and improve efficiency for our customers. We look forward to cooperating with more partners worldwide to create a brighter future together.